The COVID-19 risk level in Bexar County remains low, but Metro Health says it is worsening with a fairly low case count. Many South Texans might think we are out of the pandemic, but with high-profile citizens like Judge Nelson Wolff and Police Chief William McManus coming down recently with the virus, KENS 5 reporter Jeremy Baker explains how we are nowhere near out of the woods yet.
Reported case counts may be going up slowly, but now, because of more home testing, more people likely have COVID than we think.
We actually are hearing about a lot of cases, outpatient cases, seeing a lot of outpatient cases.
When it comes to isolation, 5 days is still recommended with or without symptoms. After those 5 days, you should take a test. If it's positive, isolate for 5 more days. If it's negative and you have symptoms that are resolving, isolation can end after 5 days, but you should wear a mask until day 10.
Well, one thing we know about these Omicron variants is that they're very transmissible. If you test positive for COVID, it is important to stay home for that isolation period.
The CDC recently released their COVID-19 community levels based on the following: the number of new cases per 100,000 people in the community in the past 7 days, the number of new hospitalizations in the past week, and the percentage of staffed inpatient hospital beds occupied by patients with COVID-19.
If you have a high rate of infection, then it's recommended that you are stricter about the mask protocols and so forth.
Based on the level of risk in your county, CDC mask guidance says in communities with high levels, wear a mask indoors. Where the risk level is medium, talk to your doctor, especially if you are at an increased risk to get the virus. And in areas with low levels, no masking is recommended.
Especially if you have an immunosuppressive condition or you have a family member that does, it's a good idea to wear a mask when you're in public where there's going to be a lot of people.
To find out what level your county is right now, we have a link with this story on KENS5.com. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5.